All right, guys, Conley's Carpet Cleaning Plus coming at you again today. We have gotten here to a property for a property manager that we clean for regularly, and just got done with the dryer vent. We did the walkthrough and looked for, made sure to check for like urine or anything crazy going on. Didn't get a bunch of urine or anything like that, but what we do have is several different stains, a lot of wear, traffic lanes, stuff like that. We've got this larger room down here, a couple of closets over there that we don't leave closets out, guys, or skip that. Got another one right here, goes on back, nice big closet. It's really a nice property. This area coming out of the kitchen, of course, has a lot of like dark traffic lanes and some stains and stuff to contend with. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pre-spray all of the carpet. Got the stairs, lots of little spots and stuff to contend with on the steps. Now up here, we did come across some kind of wicked looking stuff, and then these right here are burn marks, so they will definitely not go away with the cleaning. That's going to require a repair, and we're not going to be doing a repair today, just the cleaning. Got this closet, and then this room here, which really didn't have a lot of stains or anything like that, and then this room here, which also wasn't bad for stains. So we're gonna go ahead and get that knocked out. We'll come back through and shoot you an after video and let you know what it looks like when we're done. Stay tuned. All right, so you guys got to see a quick before video. Just wanted to go ahead and shoot you the after video. We were able to remove pretty much every stain. You can see that the carpet looks fantastic throughout. Nice and clean and crisp for the new person that's going to be moving in. Matter of fact, the property manager came by while we were here and cut a bunch of lights on, so we'll cut those back off. So we're taking some pictures. But remember, this area was about 5 shades darker. There were spots all over the stairs that we were able to get out. Only thing, like I pointed out before, were the burn marks over there that didn't come out. Other than that, you guys can see the carpet looks absolutely fantastic. If you need carpet cleaning in Virginia Beach, Chesapeake, Norfolk, Portsmouth, Suffolk, Virginia, give us a call. Conley's Carpet Cleaning Plus, 757-464-1741. Right there we are. Thanks for tuning in.